Hey, alright, how's everyone doing today? I just wanted to do a small video of an experiment I'm doing on my garage door right here. This is some radiant barrier. It's supposed to go in your attic, but I decided since my garage door faces west, I was going to put it up there and test it. Right now it's 5:15 p.m. and the sun is definitely beating down on that door, and it is 121 degrees. And then whenever you get over to the radiant barrier, it's only 94, 95, 96 degrees. So that's quite a difference right there. That's definitely substantial. So now, after this little experiment, that means I can get away with doing my whole garage door now. So that's the next project I'll be working on. I'll keep you updated. Peace.